I could echo so much. I think if you're a nurturer and you're thinking about joining SMA, one of my favourite mantras that I have received from the beautiful community that we're in is, it's safe for me to create my own safety net. And as a nurturer, we can spend so much time giving and creating so many safety nets for those around us. And for us to have that container where we create self-care and our own safety net is so important. And for me, realizing that it's an act of self-care for me to take care of my finances. It's an act of self-care for me to look and see what's coming in and what's going out every month, and to be okay with that, and to learn how to bring my business in alignment with my strengths has been so powerful. And so if you are looking to grow your business in a way that isn't going to burn you out, isn't going to leave you spending more money on coaching than you receive, because I know as a nurturer I've definitely done that in the past, then it's such a powerful container to be in, and there is so much support and so much love and so much nurturing, and it's okay to receive. It's safe for us as nurturers to receive that goodness, and SMA has transformed my business life, utterly transformed. It's lovely to actually have this opportunity to say thank you to Denise in person, and properly say thank you, because it has transformed every part of my business.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.